This video is going to show you how to be emo. If you want to be emo, just watch my video. Okay. How you be emo? You gotta cut yourself right here. Well, I can burn myself right there. You gotta not like yourself all over. You can't like anything. So, this is the video how to be emo. Let me get my knife out. Cut myself. Done. Press the button, you retard. Alright now. Then I light myself on fire. Light the bottom on fire. So then it can be a what do you call it? It can be a scat.